Otis is empty space, empty.
When you ask it that way, the answer is going to ruin a perfectly good word.
Correct. Astronomers studying a magnetar called 1E1547.05408 have reported some of the strongest observational evidence yet for vacuum birefringence.
Detention version, please.
Certain crystals affect light differently depending on its polarization. Quantum electrodynamics predicts that, under an extraordinarily powerful magnetic field, even a vacuum can behave a little like an optical material.
Nothing becomes something.
In a sense, we cannot create magnetic fields remotely strong enough on Earth to test the effect this way.
Convenient.
Fortunately, nature made magnetars, neutron stars with magnetic fields so extreme our laboratory magnets look like refrigerator decorations.
Now we're talking.
What did researchers see?
X-ray polarization measurements from NASA's IXP mission, combined with other observations, showed light far more strongly polarized than models without the quantum vacuum effect would naturally predict. The orientation also tracked the magnetar's magnetic field.
The fingerprint?
An important part of it. Modeling found vacuum birefringence was needed to reproduce the observed behavior while satisfying other constraints.
You're saying evidence, not physics solved forever.
Tragically,
Plain English?
light leaves an incredibly magnetic dead star and crosses a region where quantum physics says empty space itself changes the light's polarization signature.
I can live with that.
Magnetars give physicists environments no terrestrial laboratory can reproduce.
Nature's equipment budget is ridiculous.
Black holes, neutron stars, exploding suns. No safety committee.
Yet we get the data.
Astronomy becomes a laboratory for fundamental physics. We're using a star to test how reality behaves under conditions we cannot build.
And the prediction is roughly 90 years old.
Yes, the relevant quantum electrodynamics work dates to the 1930s.
90 years later, we found your weird light thing.
More or less.
The universe keeps objecting to our vocabulary. Empty isn't empty, vacuum isn't nothing, dead stars are doing experiments.
Fair.
Next, you'll tell me space is expanding into something.
I'm not touching that tonight.
So the normal takeaway?
Some of our strangest theories aren't merely mathematical decoration. Under extreme conditions, the universe can expose effects almost invisible everywhere else, and use the word nothing cautiously around physicists. Very cautiously.
Speaking of things that aren't quite what they appear to be, Rose and I aren't two people in a real detention room.
We're fictional AI-generated hosts using synthetic voices.
The story is a researched true science story based on published research and reporting about the magnetar observations.
The hosts are synthetic. The vacuum is complicated. The evidence is real.
I'm Otis.
I'm Rose.
This is Detention.
Tonight's lesson is simple.
Nothing?
Apparently, there's no such thing.
Recess is over.